Pretty simple, not gonna waste your time. Gonna take this bell off, and the system is pretty basic. Let me show you. Okay, if you take this red and white wire off, connect them, just touch them, don't worry about it, just touch them like so. And if your bell or your light down here doesn't come on, it's your transformer. All right, period. Now you can get a device like this to test the current, right? But you don't need it. Over here you have your bell, your literal doorbell, okay? And you have two connections here. As long as you're connected here, right here, and over here, you ain't got to worry about anything here, okay? Basically, don't worry about nothing here. And over here you have your transformer. When you connect your doorbell cam, especially the China ones, they will mess up your transformers. The transformer keeps the power at bay, so you get the right amount of power. And so the doorbell, the cams, they mess up your doorbells. All right, basically like a fuse going off. But as long as you're connected here and your doorbell isn't working, it's your transformer. Bet. You can get them at Walmart, Menards for $10. So you want to be careful when working with power, electricity. Now, you're not going to have a doorbell fuse, but I think it's, no, not utility, basement. Wherever your transformer is, well, mine is right here. Mine is 25. So I did a test and everything is connected. Everything is connected properly. It's not getting power. Something's holding the power back, and it's the transformer in my case. All right, now you got questions, I got answers. Leave me a comment, I'll let you know, period. All right, just be careful. We had the Ring video surveillance cameras on and connected to the bell, and we took it off and it destroyed our transformer. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment and I will respond if I can. God bless.